Hey everyone, welcome to our new web series, How to Res. My name's Kyle.
I'm Selena.
And today we're going to be talking about composting etiquette.
So composting is important because it keeps food scraps out of landfills, which when they're in landfills they produce more greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to climate change.
So today we're going to be talking about our tips for composting in cluster. Let's get to it. Whoa. Tip number 1.
At the University of Victoria, you can compost all food scraps, food soiled paper products, but you cannot compost biodegradable plastic bags.
So that means for your compost, you should be using paper bags or newspaper products.
Tip 2.
You can use baking soda to neutralize odors in your compost bin.
You can also use baking soda for your foot odor.
Wait, are you saying my foot smells? Tip 3. Make sure to store your compost bin low and out of the sunlight, like underneath the sink.
Tip 4. Make sure you wash your compost bin after emptying it out.
Thanks for watching this video. If you learned something today, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any composting tips of your own, make sure to comment down below or comment anything. We need more comments, and don't do that. What are we talking about, Selena? No soft plastics. No soft plastics.
Oh, it smells like your feet.